Hi, welcome to Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Irish moss protein shake. Now, although the protein powder is optional for this recipe, all you basically need is ready-made sea moss gel, some coconut palm sugar or some other sugar alternative, some cinnamon, some nutmeg, and about 1.5 to 2 cups of plant-based milk. If you're not vegan, feel free to use any milk of your choice. So I'm just adding in my coconut palm sugar to my plant-based milk, and I'm gonna add about a half teaspoon or about a few dashes of cinnamon, 1 tiny dash of nutmeg. Again, you don't want to put too much nutmeg because you don't want the nutmeg flavor to overpower the taste of your shake. And again, guys, the spices are definitely optional. So now I am going to go in with my Garden of Life protein powder. I am using the Fit version of the protein powder. This one, it has a bit more calories, but what I really like about this Garden of Life protein powder is it helps with appetite control and food cravings as well. So I went in and I added my protein powder. Again, it doesn't have to be Garden of Life. It could be any protein powder of your choice. And I'm adding in my ready-made sea moss gel. If you guys would like to know how I make my sea moss gel, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be sure to do a video on how I make my sea moss gel and post it on my channel. So I'm adding in 2.5 tablespoons of sea moss gel. I'm mixing that up and I'm going to put it to blend. Below in the description box of this video will have a link of where you could purchase sea moss. And it's not going to be the sea moss gel, but it's going to be the actual sea moss. So look out for that in the description section of this video. As you guys can see, I'm blending the shake until it arrives at the consistency I would like, just making sure that everything is well blended and it is ready to be served. This shake is so delicious. It is low in sugar and it is definitely filling. I love having this shake after an intense workout. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this episode of Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. Peace, love, and tasty vegan food.